Watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high.
Hello, good morning. It is like 9:30 probably, and we just came for a little walk on a trail called the Beltline. Are you a little bit tired? So we were supposed to be in Paris this week, rest in peace, and I obviously had the days booked off work, and then we obviously aren't going to Paris anymore, so I just kept the days off work, and we're just gonna have a little staycation at home, a little mental break. And today is day one. It's Monday, so we are going on a hike, and then once Stella's passed out tired from the hike, Ethan and I are gonna go thrift shopping, maybe in Oakville. I thought I'd take you along with me because a few people have asked for some fun things to do in Toronto during COVID. So it's just after 11, and we are now headed to Value Village. Two jars because we have all of our rice and dry goods and stuff in them at home, and I literally said to Ethan yesterday that we need more. Oh, what'd you get? A shirt.
Well, I haven't picked which ones I like. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Okay, Ethan just showed me this. Look at the bottom of the thing. $3. This is how much they're charging for it. $5. Is that allowed? I don't think so. Okay, so I'm not really finding anything, but I think part of the problem is I have no idea what I'm looking for. I'm just kind of looking around. Okay, so as you saw, that was a bust.
I got a couple things.
I got the smudged things.
I got 2 button-ups and
a tie-dye
t-shirt for $20.
Okay. Other customer in Sephora, and I've never been in a Sephora that empty in my whole entire life, but I got the goods. I didn't have to order online, so that's awesome because I ran out of my moisturizer this morning, so it's kind of like a necessity. Is it a travel mug or just a regular mug? I mean, I think it's really cute. So since we're in the car, we're just kind of driving. I thought maybe we could give a little update about our housing situation. So we currently have this rental car because we don't have a car. So that way we could be in Niagara this weekend from Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then Tuesday to go see houses and stuff. But we came home to Toronto yesterday instead, so Sunday, because the houses that we were the most excited to see and thought that we were literally gonna get ended up not being what we thought that they were gonna be. So we are still gonna keep looking, obviously, but
we're not moving July 1st.
We're not moving July 1st. I'm so freaking tired, and I'm not talking to you.
I'm making a vlog. All she's done is complain about being tired for the last half hour, and I'm I don't want to hear it.
Ethan got me a huge coffee, so I've been drinking that. Hi! It is now 6:30. We are just sitting down for dinner. Sorry, did you want to be included? Hi, Stella, sit. We are just sitting down for dinner, and Ethan made us this lovely corn summer salad. It is actually in our cookbook, which I can link down below. It's literally my favorite food, I think, to eat in the summer, honestly. Are you ready to go to the park? Let's go. Sunny! Oh, come here. Billy, are you having fun? You're terrorizing your little friend.